Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anita Putri Setiadi with study number 2022-0117 and I'm from A1 class. Today I will explain about a research proposal to fulfill final examination speaking for academic purposes. The title of proposal: Developing Procedure Text Material through Contextual Teaching and Learning Approach, assisted by Canva for teaching writing to students 9th grade junior high school by Siti Dwi Karna. Approval sheet research proposal by examiner Intan Satriani MPD and Rasi Yugaviati MPD. Okay, in here I will explain about the background of the research. Learning approach is the idea of principle of how to view in determining learning activity statement is in line with Usman. And the second, in this study, using a contextual teaching and learning approach or the CTL approach is considered to be used in teaching English, especially in this teaching writing by Needham and Johnson. State the writing with the context and make students able to develop analysis when they write the paragraph, so that the reader will be able to meet their expectation more easily. And number 3, some of the benefit of CTL, like involving student in writing, increasing student motivation, helping student participate in classes, help student solve the problem, provide the way for student discuss, and help students summarize and reflect on listening. Rainbow research that the Canva app can be used the education, help the teacher and student learner, make it easy and carry out learning based technology skill, creativity and other benefits. This is the research question. Number 1, how can Canva Media improve procedural text writing skill? And the second, what difficulties did you face when giving Canva Media assisted teaching and learning to students in writing procedural text? How do teachers interest students in interesting writing? The objective of the research. The purpose of this study to determine for 9th grade junior high school student in writing by contextual teaching and learning approach assisted by Canva, and to find out the difficulties faced when learning to use Canva in 9th junior high school student. And the next slide, significance of the research for students. Salah satunya yaitu improve the quality of writing procedure text. Students think more creatively. Students better understand how to write procedure text. And for the teacher, understanding student difficulties in writing procedure text helps students to increase their interest in learning, create a pleasant learning atmosphere, and for the readers, provide experience or input for the improving their writing. Operational definition. Number 1, ada contextual teaching and learning or CTL. Number 2, writing ability. Number 3, procedure text. And number 4, Canva. Literature review. Number 1, the definition of contextual teaching and learning is a learning model that provides facility for student learning activity to seek, manage, and find learning experiences that are more considerate and related to student rely by Komalasari 2012. And the second definition of writing is an active language skill, productive, complex and integrate that in the form achievement and embodied in writing. 2 Dalman 2014. Selanjutnya ada literatur review lagi. Yang ketiga ada prosedur teks, ada definisi prosedur teks. Yang kedua purpose of prosedur teks, kind prosedur teks. Kita saja ada penjelasan di research methods. Research method used in this study is the R&D method or research and development. According to Amile and Reasons 2015, research and development R&D is a research method used to produce a particular product and test the effectiveness of the product. Based on the above definition, can be explained that the R&D method is a research method used to produce certain product and to improve a product that's accordance with the reference and criteria made so as product various stage and validation of testing. The stage in R&D are operational, potential, and end problem, collect information, model development, model validation, model revision, model trial, model revision, wider trial, final model revision. And the second, we can see the picture 1. Number 1, seperti yang dijelaskan, the first product validation is carried out by A. Two supervisor X expert in writing procedural text, B. Students as limited trial. Number 2, why the second product validation is carried out by student as wider trial. B. The result of the audience of or student will fill out the questionnaire given. And number 3, validate components include procedure text and questionnaire as a result student response. Sini juga kita bisa melihat ada tabel dari skor kriteria interpretasi sangat valid, produk bisa langsung digunakan tanpa perbaikan, valid, produk dapat digunakan dengan sedikit perbaikan, cukup valid, produk dapat digunakan dengan banyak perbaikan, invalid, produk tidak dapat digunakan. Research subject and location. The subject and location and all this research as 9 grade student of SMP in MTS Ashifa Cipatat as follows. Volumetric trial as class A, which is located MTS Ashifa. For wider trial class A and B in the same location. Description of subject and research location. Limited trial subject and location di MTS Ashifa, and the subject and location di MTS Ashifa lagi. Research instrument. First, you must understand the approach that can be used to measure the nature or behavior of the research object. The instrument in this research are: number 1, non-test. Provide a questionnaire attitude scale to measure teacher and student response. Number 2, ada tes seperti written test to measure knowledge of writing procedural text through contextual teaching and learning approach assist by Canva for teaching writing to students 9th grade junior high school. Procedure of the research. Number 1, preparation step. A. Preparing questionnaire. Number B. Preparing produce text teaching material. Number 2, implementation step. Give the questionnaire to the student fill out. Conducting a limited test to student. Doing product revision 1. Conducting wider test to student. Number 3, evaluation step. Doing product revision 2. Final product test. Give the questionnaire to the student to fill out. And the last, writing test. Procedure of processing data. Like number 1, descriptive statistic to describe the stage of development, response, and constraint during development. Number 2, inferential statistic to see the effectiveness of the product on the ability to be improved. And in this is you can see researcher schedule, like ada di sini ada tabel kegiatan dan bulan, seperti bulan penyusunan proposal, ada di bulan pertama. Yang kedua studi pendahuluan dan studi pustaka ada di bulan kedua, berbarengan dengan forum, grup discussion, dan validasi 1. Desain produk ada di bulan kedua. Keempat, uji coba terbatas dan revisi produk ada di bulan ketiga dan bulan keempat. Uji coba lebih luas, validasi 2 dan revisi produk ada di bulan kelima, dan uji produk. Tulisan tesis ada di bulan ke-6. Thank you for my explanation. I'm sorry if so many wrong in my pronunciation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.